Hi, thank you so much for taking out the time and watching my video. My name is Tisha. I came across your company while doing research of plumbers in the area. Just wanted to go over some tips to help you bring in more business and show how you're doing in comparison to your competitors. So today we'll be talking about three things: content, citations, and backlinks. So the first we'll talk about is content. Now, content is anything that can be found on your website. So words, phrases, pictures, what they're saved as, what's behind the pictures. I do recommend having a minimum of 1,500 words, and then that way you're able to use keywords throughout the website. Now, keywords are very important because someone were to Google a particular service, then that would lead them over to your website. So the more keywords that you have, the more business that you can also get. The next will be citations. So citations are anywhere your website can be found on the internet. It can be Angie's List, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Facebook. So the more citations you have, then the more people are aware of your business and can bring in more customers. The last thing that we'll talk about are backlinks. Now, backlinks are any type of links that are coming from another website that lead people back to your website. So basically, it just brings in more traffic. So the more backlinks that you have, the more traffic you'll bring in. And but I do want to just mention backlinks are not made the same. So for example, if you have a backlink coming from a restaurant versus a hardware store, then that can bring in a different result. So those are very important. Now, just showing you how I found the business. I Googled plumbers in Vallejo, California. So when you go here, the first thing that you'll see are any ads that are running from companies that are paying for them. Now, this is not always a good thing because sometimes people have ad blockers now in 2021. So sometimes these ads are not even seen. Now, the next would be what we call our map pack. So, I do see that you're number one, so that's a good thing. So, when people are Googling plumbers in Vallejo, they will come to your business first and go directly over to your website. The next that we see is what we call an organic search. So, by looking at this, the first that we see would actually be Yelp, would be number one in the organic search. So, if you see here, Yelp, and then thebestrated.com. But the first company that we actually see would be roto. So in this case, the your competition would be roto. So I wanted to just show you their website. So this is their website. And they are utilizing quite a few keywords um, throughout the website here, and using a lot of words as well. So then that's always a good thing. Okay, so I just want to take a look at that. Now we'll be looking at another tool we call Ahrefs. It shows how your website is performing in comparison to your competitor. So let's look at your website. So I'm showing that you have 201,000 backlinks. So you have quite a few backlinks that are coming back to your website. So that's good. However, you're only utilizing about 69 organic keywords. And again, that's in correlation to where you would actually fall within the organic search on Google. And in this case, let's see, I believe you were yes, so you're number 10 on the organic search. So by using more keywords, then it can help you rank a little bit higher so that you can get more business, okay? So the next we'll see here is how Roto-Rooter, how they're doing. Now they are a business that has several locations. So when I'm looking at this, they've been around for many, many years and have, and again, a lot of customers, a lot of locations. So when I'm looking at this, this is going to give me a general idea of just how they're doing. So they have over 861,000 backlinks. They're using over 97,000 keywords, and they're bringing in quite a few, a lot of revenue. Now, what we do is we look at um, the keywords that your competitors are using, and we can help implement those keywords within your website to bring in more business for you. Now, you're welcome to go ahead and use these tips that I have provided today. But if you would like to discuss this further to see if I'm able to help, my phone number is 916-378-9773. I would love to chat with you. If not, I would like to hear some feedback, though, in regards to my video. Either way, thank you again for taking this time to watch it, and I hope you have a good day.